Hello, good morning, students. I am R.N. Jha from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan, Darbhanga. Today, I am going to teach you physics of class 9. Dear students, it is the second chapter, Force and Laws of Motion. The topic for today is numerical problem. Dear student, question is here given. An iron ball of mass 1 kg is rolling on an ice surface with velocity 20 meter per second. The ball stops after traveling 50-meter distance. Find the force of friction applied between the ball and surface of ice. Dear students, here it is given mass of the ball 1 kg and it is rolling on the surface of ice with velocity 20 meter per second, means the initial velocity of the iron ball, that is 20 meter per second. The ball stops means the final velocity of the ball, that is 0 meter per second. Since it is given ball stops after traveling 50-meter distance is also given from the question, that is 50 meter. Now we have to find the force of friction applied between the ball and surface of ice. Its solution: here we have mass of the iron ball, let it is m, and it is equal to 1 kg given from the question. Initial velocity of the iron ball, that is u, it is given 20 meter per second. Final velocity of the iron ball v, that is 0 meter per second. Distance traveled, that is denoted by s, and it is given equal to 50 meter from the question. Force of friction, it is capital F, we have to find out. Dear students, here we have V, U, S. Therefore, the formula will be applied here: V square equal to U square plus 2AS, or same formula can be written as V square minus U square, that is equal to 2AS. Here it is written V square minus U square equal to 2AS. V, that is final velocity of the iron ball, it is given 0 meter per second, its square, minus U, that is given from the question 20 meter per second, its whole square. It is equal to 2 into A, that is acceleration. It is not given from the question, we have to find it, into S, that is 50 meter. 0 meter per second, its whole square, that is equal to 0, minus 20 meter per second, its square is 400 meter square per second square, that is equal to 50 to the 100 meter into A, minus 0 minus 400 meter square per second square, that is equal to minus 400 meter square per second square, it is equal to 100 meter into A. Therefore, A is equal to minus 400 meter square per second square divided by 100 meter. It is equal to minus 4 meter per second square. Acceleration here is negative, minus 4 meter per second square. Since the acceleration is negative, so it clears that the velocity of the ball decreases. Means this acceleration is negative acceleration. We may say it retardation. Now we have to find the force of friction. Force of friction F, that is equal to mass into acceleration. Means F force equal to mass into acceleration. F equal to m into a. Now substitute the values of m and a. Since the mass of ball, it is given 1 kg into acceleration, that is minus 4 meter per second square, multiply them, the product is minus 4 kg meter per second square. You may write this answer, and kg meter per second square, that is equal to Newton. So it can be also written as minus 4 Newton. Either you may write minus 4 kg meter per second square or minus 4 Newton. That is same thing. Dear students, here the magnitude of the force is 4 Newton. Magnitude of force, that is 4 Newtons. And minus sign, it shows that this force of friction is acting in the opposite direction of the movement of iron ball. And when you will read friction, it will be more clear that force of friction, it always opposes motion. Means it acts in the opposite direction of the motion. Therefore, force of friction, that is negative. Here that sign minus indicates this force of friction is in the opposite direction of the movement of iron ball. Therefore here is sign minus, and magnitude of force is 4 Newton. Dear students, in this way you may solve such type of problems, and you will gain more and more concepts that will be more clear. Thank you students. Thank you very much.